What's up, guys? Pretend05 here. Sorry for the squish quality at the beginning of the video. My software only lets me do that size for some dumb reason. But as the video says, I'm going to show y'all how to program in Java. Just program hello world and edit this how you would like it. So, first thing you need to do is go to your notepad or any other Word software. A notepad I think works the best. Looks most like a code. What you're gonna want to type in to make hello world is you're gonna type in public class and make it hello world. I'm gonna say 2 because I've already made hello world before. The color scheme. Hello world 2. Now after this, you're gonna want to add a bracket that looks like this. That's open on the right side. Next, you want to hit enter, and you're gonna type in public static void main. This is what you type in usually, at least for what I've programmed. This is what you type in. And you type in parentheses, no space there, string, and you do 2 brackets like that, space, ARGS. Blech. And you put another parentheses, and you put a semicolon, or, yeah, no. I think you put a semicolon, and then you put another bracket like this, and you hit enter again. The public class, it defines that hello world 2 is the name of the class that you're typing in and creating now. Public satisfies what the accessibility of the class is. So, you know, if it's private, then only certain people can access it, etc., etc. But this, and then after you finish that, you type in system.out.print ln, and then you put a parentheses and then quotation marks, and you type whatever you want here. Type so you can type whatever. For this example, you can type in, type whatever you want here, whatever, and then type in hello world, exclamation point, and then put in quotes on it, put another parentheses, and then put a semicolon. Yeah, that's where you put the semicolon, not here. Sorry. Anyway, after this, you put the semicolon, you hit enter again, and you do the opposite of the 2 brackets that you just added. These up here, you need to add another one up here. I don't know what this one was, but whatever. These up here signify this signifies a main block. These little brackets here signify a main block, and that's everything in between those little brackets are what it needs to execute, basically. So whenever you close it here, you have to close it for every bracket you open. Whenever you want to close it, you have to close it for every bracket you open before you closed any of them. So just type whatever you want there, and put space there, and then you have this. Now what you want to do is you want to go Control S or File, Save As, whatever you would like to do, and save it to a directory. Like save it to a certain thing. Like I saved mine to my program files, Java, and then I save it to Java programs. This is where I save most of my Java files. I type it, and then you type in hello world 2.java. You have to type in the name of your class as the name of your file. Alright, see, I've made all of these. And then you click save. And so you have this, and then you exit it out. And then you go to CMD. And you go to CMD. And then you type in the command CHDIR for change directory from your default directory to C:/ and then put it to whatever directory you had. You have to type in the entire hierarchy of files. So if you save it in the local disk program files, then this is all you have to type in. Program files, and it'll bring up the directory. I save it in program files, Java programs. This is where I save it. So I hit enter, and it changes the directory to what I just typed in, as long as you type it in right. And then after that, you type in javac hello world 2.java, and you hit enter. And give it a second. And if it brings up this, it compacted it, or compiled it, and now you can use it for whatever purpose you used. And if it comes up with a list, you might need to change the directory or go into the code and fix whatever it wants you to fix, and you just go on a notepad and type it in. But then you can go Java, you don't test the C, and you type in hello world 2. You hit enter, and it outputs. Type whatever you want here, hello world. With Java, in later tutorials, I'll teach you how to do the greatest, how to use Java to find the greatest number in a list of numbers. Okay. I'll fix that later. I'll also teach you how to write a program to, okay, typed it in wrong. Find all the even numbers between 1 and the number you pick. These will all be in later tutorials. But this is all the stuff that you can do. Okay, I don't have the greatest number class, but that's fine. And so, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for later episodes or tutorials on how to use Java and how to program in Java. Thanks for watching. Potando5 out.